T-junction,
So it's
end of the road with turning right. Can see your signal, please?
Oh, yeah,
I did not
'cause
see you have checked your mirror. To right.
No, it's just that
But why are we stopping here again, Mel?
It's not.
Right, Mel. We're
Why?
gonna park up in a minute, okay?
Yep.
Let's turn right, please, for me.
I've never been on this bit.
It doesn't matter. It's a T-junction. So, it's a T-junction. Relax. We are emerging. Yeah, so who have put a priority?
There a minute.
Yeah, and there you go.
Accelerated. Sorry, I thought that would brake.
Okay.
Thank you for braking.
No worries. Right.
I think because it were a wide junction and I saw another road, but then there were a van coming, lorry going that way, I was like, what do I do here? And then when I was trying to brake, I thought I was going fast. I'm like, pedal. I was on the wrong pedal.
It's okay. I want to clear this today, Mel. Otherwise, in the long run, this is going to cause you a big problem.
Yeah. I need to.
And if you don't get this right, and that is why a lot of learners, I strongly believe that because of this negative mentality,
Yeah.
they never get succeeded. Now, you said, I never been on this road.
Yeah.
That is a very wrong mentality.
Yeah, no.
What instructions I gave it to you? I told you that at the end of the road, I would like you to turn right. It's a T-junction. Did I not tell you that?
Yep.
We were going there, and the T-junction was there.
So I don't know why I've...
So I ask you that at the end of the road, turning right. So end was there, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
And I also told you it's a T-junction.
Yeah.
Now what you saw, you were coming so nicely. Your positioning was good. You saw the lorry coming in, and without doing any safety checks, you slammed your brake that time.
Yeah, I did.
Now looking at this picture, who had the priority? Would that person we have to give way,
We
or?
wouldn't know that we've got priority, so no, Mel, you did.
Okay.
You
now
did
because
it a bit too early,
well,
and a bit too fast.
Yes, but I need to put in your mind, by you pressing a brake like an emergency brake that time.
Yeah.
Did you check your mirrors?
No.
What if somebody else quite close behind you? What could have happened?
They would have slammed on it.
And what if they're not able to stop? And then what will happen the next thing?
They would have got in the back of the car.
Now what if us, because they can also see through, and this is important, when you're driving, normally you can see through their windows or their mirrors, that who's in front of them. Now there was nobody in front of, for example, they would not expect us to do emergency braking. Now what if you emergency brake?
Yeah.
And what if they hit you and somebody get killed?
Yeah, I'll be done for murder. No, don't be saying that.
So what you're doing, Mel, this is you happening a lot. You see the big lorries and you totally start looking at them. We need to stop doing that. When you make a mistake, you go into the very defensive body behavior that time. You start thinking about that's it. No, it's not that's it. You learn from these mistakes.